Alright, so let's take a look at where we're at in this project compared to the last video. I got the last chain tensioner on there. There it is. I still got a little bit of work to do. The bottom bolt is not in there. I know you see a bolt there, but it's not really hooked up yet. It's just kind of sitting there. But the top one's in. And I went ahead and used that chain tensioner that really expensive chain tensioner that I bought. Well, I put it to use. There it is. Well, I built a little standoff for it right there. Sorry about the lighting here. It's a little wacky. So, got the chain on there with the master link installed and everything. There's the second one with its chain tensioner, which, you know, I already showed in the other video, but now that I know I can do it this way, my next build probably won't be like that, but you know, you learn as you go, right? So, and then the chain run into the PMA. So the whole gearbox is pretty much got a few things still to do on it. On this end over here, I'm going to put a threaded rod on the bottom, on the, you know, all the way through to the other side over there, which I got to put a threaded rod across here. Probably the same as this one right here. This big one you're seeing here, on the top there. And I got the weighted system, which is coming up pretty soon to integrate all that, so that's my next thing and get that going. The next build I'm going to build with aluminum plates, not with steel. So you can see you got some corrosion around here. So it'll be something kind of like those. I'm not going to use the ones that are sitting right here, but it'll be something similar to that. These aren't quite, the dimensions aren't quite as big as I need them, but so, or we may rethink a few things. But yeah, we're going to use aluminum so we don't have to worry about corrosion. And well, it's going to make it so that the sprockets actually sit down in the box. Right now, as you can tell, they're sitting above these are sitting above the box. Right? We don't want that. We want them down in the box. So that'll be next. So very cool. Really, so far so good. And, there's a lot of torque required to turn it from that little sprocket right there, boy, let me tell you. It's not something I can do by hand. Got some pretty extreme ratios here. If I turn it from the second sprocket, the whole system will turn. Let's see if I can make that happen with the video here. Is kind of difficult. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see what we get. Yeah, that fluorescent light certainly doesn't help, does it? Messing up the camera. Light in there kind of stinks, but see if we can keep that going on there. Yeah, so I don't have this one. Obviously, it's binding over here because I'm not done hooking all that up yet, as I said. So can't really do much until I get that finished. But it's kind of late tonight, so I gotta finish that another night. But yeah, it works so far anyway. And once I shore up this last chain tensioner and just make sure that it's lined up properly, so we'll get rid of any little binding going on there. Then, like I said, the next thing is putting the weighted system together. Okay, video's getting long as always. Talking too much. Thanks for hanging with me. See ya.